Somalia terrifying pirates have looted numerous ships. The world sees them as villains. But for the Somalian, they were heroes. Their own Robin Hood. In this scenario, the most difficult task is to reach the ship, tie the rope, and climb. This attempt is always successful. The gangsters from the local Somalian clans were given weapons in exchange for their permission to dump waste there. This is known as gun for waste. While some countries use religion and race to divide its citizens, the Somali dictators use clan identities to do this. That the food and job shortage was so severe across the nation that for these young boys, piracy became the only way to provide for their household and feed themselves. Hello friends, 8th April 2009, a ship with the American flag was passing through the Indian Ocean. It was called a Mears Alemba. It was going from Oman to Kenya carrying some humanitarian aid cargo when it was about 440 kilometers away from Somalia coast. Suddenly, some lights popped up on the ship's radar. The ship's crew members scanned the area with their radar and saw a small boat moving towards the ship. The only thing they could think of then was not again. The past 24 hours, their ship was approached by similar boats twice, but they had managed to escape. But this time, as this boat came close, they got a message on the ship radio. Normally, in this situation, in order to escape such boats, the ships increase their speed. But the problem is that this works only when the pirates are far away because the top speed of such a huge ship cannot be more than 18 to 20 knots. And the Somalian pirates on the speedboat can easily travel at a speed of more than 25 knots. Seeing the pirates' boat getting so close, the captain of this ship, Richard Phillips, set off the alarm. Everyone ran towards the ship's safe room. There weren't many options to defend themselves. There were some water hoses which could be fired at the pirates to prevent them of climbing the ship, but that isn't very effective. But soon they heard the sound of a ladder latching on to the ship. The first Somali pirate had climbed it onto the ship. He was carrying an AK-47 rifle, and while firing it, he reached Captain Phillips. 14 of the 19 crew members of the ship had reached the safe room. Two members hid, and Captain Phillips, with his two companions, remained on the bridge. The bridge is the command center of a ship, from where the from where the ship is operated usually. It is the highest part and located at the front of the ship.